Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term factory within factory, FWF, an effective but seldom used models for procurement of inputs is the concept of factory within factory. There may be inputs that can be manufactured at a scale determined by the immediate customer without any loss of cost advantage, where there is a technical feasibility to align such production to the line requirement of the principal manufacturer. While it is true that the factory within factory model require consideration of various tax, regulatory and commercial aspects, the benefits or the need clearly outweigh these difficulties. Factory A is registered with the Central Excise Authorities. The concept of the factory within factory model involves setting up a factory, that is factory B, within the premises of principal manufacturer. There are examples of chemical manufacturer in India, a global auto original equipment manufacturer in South American country, and a leading consumer electronics company in India, to name a few. For many years now, auto OEM have sought to create their dedicated supplier box very close to the assembly plant, which is close to the classic FWF model. Therefore, it is not just a conceptual construct, but something manufacturer under certain condition can consider. While the insourcing and co-sourcing model are quite popular in the information technology domain, the manufacturing world is yet to fully explore them. Admittedly, there are greater challenges as the ecosystem required for two manufacturers is very different. From the operational aspect to the structural rigidity this model imposes, the taxation complexity, the relative scales, and so on. Given the advantages it brings to the table, it is an option that manufacturer should evaluate. Advantages could include dedicated supplies. The burden of procurement team is likely to significantly reduce, considering that there may be reduced or no outside supplies. Supply bottlenecks are expected to be zero. Quasi just-in-time benefits. The factory within factory model can provide JIT benefit with an added advantage of no requirement for inventory storage. Benefits available under indirect tax regime and opportunity for saving it is possible to explore. Benefits available to job worker, production within the same premises, transfer of credit which would otherwise be costly. Economies of scale and opportunity to save owing to bulk or continuous purchasing. The dedicated supply is likely to generate economies of scale for the supplier and opportunity to negotiate for the principal manufacturer. Thanks for watching. Bye.